Hi guys, today we're gonna fix this error on Windows 11 and I have 3 different solutions for you today, so keep watching the video to find out how to do it. So the first solution is to repair and reset Quick Share. To do this, go to search and type in Quick Share. Once you do that, right click on Quick Share and select the app settings. Scroll down and find the repair option, and then select the reset option. After getting that done, close everything and check if the problem is solved. Now this should solve the problem, but if it doesn't, we have to move on to the second solution. So solution number 2, update Quick Share. To do this, search and type in Store. Open the Microsoft Store, go to Library, and find Quick Share. Now once you do that, if you see an update option, then update the app. After updating, check if the problem is solved. And if not, let's move on to the third solution. The third solution is to uninstall Quick Share. Quick Share itself might be causing this error, so uninstalling it can resolve the issue. To do this, go to Search, type in Quick Share, right click on it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation. After uninstalling, restart your PC, and your problem should be fixed.